I think that retargeting as a marketing tool have been around for a very long time, and they can be a very successful help in other marketing initiatives. So of course at Elespacio for a very long time we've been looking into implementing retargeting campaigns that don't look like a typical retargeting campaigns as we are used to with just showing products, white backgrounds, and let's say looking very generic and unappealing. So last year when we started working on the always on campaign for Nespresso, an interesting challenge up here, which was how to make a campaign that will be always on, that operates on the same framework, but at the same time is able to deliver very distinctive creatives and adapt to other marketing initiatives within the organizations. And well, looking back, this would not have been possible without the new Google tools that we are using now, especially DoubleClick Studio delivers really great possibilities for customizations. So this really pushed us to see how far we can take it. And we have developed a very dynamic template as well as robust HTML structure, which allows us to load creatives of very vast look and feel, yet still using the same template and therefore saving vast amount of time. The possibilities for the brand, not only in the retargeting scheme, but in any kind of data-driven campaigns, are basically endless. There's so many different data sources that we can rely on. And also these can be used together inside of the retargeting framework. For example, for one of our fashion clients, we have combined retargeting of their products together with weather as well as location. So the ads were showing products that you were previously interested in, but also based on where you are and what is the weather in the upcoming week. So these kind of ideas, of course, were combined with traditional retargeting, can bring much richer results and in the end deliver much more interesting messages for the customers. I think when creating retargeting campaigns, it's very important not to look intrusive, to really understand your audiences and to not forget to make them fun and appealing in the end. I think that the key to success in this complex campaign environment is really to work very closely together, to be best friends and benefit from each other's knowledge. In Elespacio, we usually have a lot of calls in the beginning when we create a strategy and see what kind of features have been developed by the technical team, and that often inspires us to follow with an adequate design, and also vice versa. When the designers team has a new idea, we also rely heavily on technicians and developers to help us make it alive. So I think it's important just to work together and not in the silos and benefit from each other's knowledge in that aspect. I think that the end customer, of course, has always been important in advertising, but today and following a general design trend, which is customer-centric design, advertising is not any different. So there is a general feeling of an advertising overdose, content overdose, and it is becoming more and more important. Then the ads we create are relevant for the end customer. So what does it mean in a practical sense? For example, last year we created a campaign for one of the food clients, and there we used affinity sectors to really distinguish between different kind of eaters. So on one hand, people that are really into healthy food, others that are foodies. And together we created a matrix of products and messages that really fit with each of the categories. This also can be mixed with geolocation. So for example, using timing such as Christmas and mixing messages that are relevant for different regions, different countries, together with different appreciations for food. This can lead to very personalized and interesting results.